Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Our chapter is web development. So, in our previous video, I will discuss the uh, how to create your own web page. So various notes there. So today let's see activity one. So in this activity will be based on what we discussed in our previous video, all of those notes. So we'll be discussing them in detail. So if you want to review the notes, you can pass them through uh, just to get to know what we're discussing today. So this is activity one. Uh, Creating a web page. So what we'll be doing in this activity, first one is opening a notepad, then write some HTML. So we'll be writing some random HTML, then there will be saving the HTML page, and then later on viewing the HTML page in your web browser. So this is what we'll be doing in this activity. So let's dive into it. Uh, we'll start with the first thing, that is creating your own uh, web page, starting with the opening a notepad. So you can simply open a notepad, this notepad, by simply just searching, especially in this window 10, you can simply search notepad, then you get it here, notepad, then click to open. Then here we have a notepad. Then from there you can write your HTML. So be writing random HTML in this. So we'll start with the first one. So we'll start with HTML. This is opening our HTML file and closing HTML. Then after that, we'll put a title, then close title. Then our title, maybe you can write anything like my work, anything you want. So here I'm trying to just write anything. So that's our title, my work. Then after that, let's try to put something, maybe body. We'll try to put a body in this HTML. In our body, then you will simply have something, maybe this will be like our heading will be noted as by H1. We discussed this H is there's H1 until H6. You can pass through the notes. We discussed in our previous video. So by trying to use H1, these are mainly commonly used for the heading of maybe of your web page. So H1, then we close H1. Maybe, yeah, like that. Then maybe something like my first my first web page design. So this will be like our title. Maybe you can put this at the center, so you can add this code center. Then you close it also. Yeah, like that. So here, this is just a random writing of our HTML. So this is what we've just written. So this is just our first activity. We'll write more of these HTML in our other upcoming videos. So from there, we've already done the second activity in this activity one, that is writing some HTML, and we've written some of these, just a few of them. Then the next activity is just to save. So saving your HTML page, simply go to save as, or you can use the shortcut, that is Control Shift plus S. Then by saving, then you can write anything, maybe activity one, but we should remember that you have to save .html. Yes, so you can be able to open this kind of HTML page in your web browser. So I hope that's clear. So after that, just click save and that will be saved. And from there, you can view your document here. So we've already saved. Now viewing your web page, I mean viewing your HTML page in your web browser, simply you click this, uh, opening it. So this is how it looks like. Our title, we wrote it, the body which we just created, something, just a simple title, that is my first web page on web page. We've done all of our things, creating a web page. In this activity one, we've seen how we can open a notepad simply by searching to get the notepad, then open it, then write some HTML. We've written some random HTML, and then we've saved our HTML page. We say that simply you have to save it, but not that you have to save it .html just to be able to open it within your browser. Then later on, we've seen how you can view your HTML page in your browser. So that's all I have for this video. I hope that's clear. We'll move on to our next activity in our next video, whereby we'll be discussing more of the HTML codes that you can use just to create your own web page. I hope that's all clear, and thank you.